Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, chapter 3, Fiber to Fabric. But before we start this chapter, I would like to discuss something. Suppose when you purchase any cloth, what would you think? You will think about its color, its fashion, its design, okay, and designer and tailor. Have you ever thought about the material from which you are getting the cloth? Yes, the material is fiber. So what is the definition of fiber? Fibers are the basic materials that are used to make clothes. So for making the clothes you need fiber as a material. Okay, so there are two types of fibers. One is natural fiber, second is synthetic fiber. You will get the fiber from the plants and animals, and if you are getting the fibers for making the cloth from plants and animals, then this is called natural fibers. The definition of natural fibers is the fiber which are obtained from plants and animals. Okay. Now, what are the examples of this natural fiber? If fibers obtained from plants, these are cotton and jute, etc. And if it is obtained from animals, these examples are wool and silk, etc. So, this is the definition of natural fiber. Now, synthetic fibers. The fibers which is obtained from man-made, which is obtained from labs. Okay. So, these synthetic fibers are man-made, prepared in labs. Okay. An example are nylon, polyester, etc. So students, in class 6 you have already studied plant fibers. Okay. So what we learn in this class? Later we will learn about some animal fibers, their sources and how they are used to make fibers. So in this category the first fiber is wool. Wool is an animal fiber. It is present as a thick coat of hair on the body of certain animals like sheep, goat, camels, etc. You will see in this figure thick coat of hair of this animal. So this coat of hair keep the animals warm. So that's why in winter we wear woolen cloth like sweater, jackets, etc. Shawls, woolen shawls. That's why we wear these clothes in winter. So thick coat of hair from the sheep, from the goat and any camels, we can get this and make the wool. Now first, wool from sheep. A sheep's hairy coat has two types of fiber. There are two types of fibers from the sheep you can get. First type of fiber is coarse beard fiber. This is we will not use this type of fiber mostly in making the wools. Second fiber is soft under hair, which is found close to skin. Okay, this fiber is very soft under hair. Type of fiber is very soft, so it is used to make wool. Okay. Now we talk about the sheep from where we will get the finest wool for making the finest woolen cloths. So finest wool is obtained from merino. It is a breed of sheep which is present in Spain. These wools are very soft and very fine and very light, so that's why it is used to make finest woolen clothes. Next topic, rearing of sheep. In this topic, you will learn that from which state in India and different countries of world from where ships are mostly found. So, what is the yes, sheep are herbivorous. Herbivorous, which eat only grass and leaves, means only plants. So sheep are herbivorous and eat mainly grass and leaves. They are also fed a mixture of pulses, corn and jowar, etc. In India, sheep are found in the hilly regions of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. So these are the states where sheep are found in India. Now we talk about some Indian breeds of sheep. This is the list of the breed of the sheep and the products made by use of this breed. So first is Lohi. Products made from this sheep, this type of sheep is carpets, and it is good quality wool. Second breed Nali. It is products made from this breed is carpets, which is also good quality wool. Third Vakharwal. Products made by this sheep, woolen shawls. And fourth Marwadi. Products made by this breed is carpets, which is coarse quality wool. And last Patanwadi. Products made by this wool is hosiery, such as socks and stockings. So this is the list of the Indian breed of the sheep. So now we have already discussed the Indian breeds, but sheep are also found in countries, different countries, like different foreign countries like Australia, Russia, Iceland, South America, Northern Europe and Asia, etc. Although main source of wool is sheep, but wool are also obtained from other animals. So wool is also obtained from animals like camel family, goat and even rabbits. Camel hair is obtained from very soft and fine fur of the undercoat of camel. There are three types of breed in camel family. One is Bactrian camels, alpaca and llama. Bactrian camels found in Siberia, Mongolia and China and gives the best quality camel wool. Understand? Alpaca and llama found in South America, and their undercoat hair is very soft and lightweight. So these are the products which we can get from the camel family. Wool from the camel family. Wools are also obtained from goat. First, Kashmiri goat found in Asia. The fiber of the Kashmiri goat are very soft and warm. Okay. Now next, Angora goat, which is found in Turkey. The fur of Angora goat provides a type of fiber called mohair. Mohair is very durable, light and warm fiber, and it is used for making soft sweaters and soft coverings for furnitures. Now there are two types of thing. One is Angora goat and other is Angora rabbit. Okay, so you can get the wool from fiber from Angora rabbit also. So it is the breed of rabbit, and the wool which is obtained from the Angora rabbit is called Angora wool. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much. Next we will learn wool production in the next class. Thank you.